What's up, guys? It's iHead. Yeah, it's iHead. It's iHead, and I'm back. Well, I'm iHead. We talking about? I'm iHead, and this is Kai. I'm I, and this is Kai. Okay, now remember that now. And my last 2 episodes, I've been working on cartoons. Oh. Okay, I did see that coming. Now let's sing a song. I'm the one that gives the word on the street. Now, what do you woodpecker? What do you think? What do you think we should do? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna ask you some questions, math questions. What's 1 plus 1 2? What's 2 plus 2 4? What's 4 plus 4 8? What's 8 plus 8 16? What's 16 plus 16 treble? Oh, how you don't know what 16 plus 16 is? That's the whole point of the man. Man, I don't know. Well, 16 plus 16, idiot. I think it's... I forgot. You can't say 1,000. What's 12 plus 12? What's 12? What's 12 minus 12? 0. How do you not know that? Oh. Ooh, I heard that. Ow. Oh. Stop it. Okay, now. What should we do now? Make sure you subscribe in the bottoms below. I don't know. That rhymes, yo. Oh.